May we ask you a question? What would be the first thing that you would do? Once Mr. Ash Mufareh's company that we are awaiting launches, what will be the first thought in your minds? After being patient for a long time, now you see the launch. What will you be thinking? Do you remember what Mr. Mufareh said? He wants all of his founders and affiliates to fill their pockets first. So after filling your pockets first, what would be the next thing on your minds? Are you thinking about things that you owe as far as bills are concerned and being able to finally pay them without getting cut-off notices on utilities, without getting your phone cut off as you're talking to your neighbor? Wouldn't that be great? To wake up each morning refreshed, knowing that your dreams are happening. Patience, patience, patience has finally been rewarded. And now, because of the launch, you don't have to worry about bills. Now don't get it twisted. This is just something that you will do after the launch. We're not saying that the company is already launched. We're saying, what would you do when all of your bills are satisfied, when all of your bills will have a zero balance? Wouldn't that relieve anxiety? It would eliminate this. Honey, we're going to put that bill on the back burner and pay this bill. That scenario will be eliminated. Wouldn't that be great? Or you go in a grocery store and never have to worry about pulling out your calculator to make sure that you have enough money in your account to pay your grocery bill. See, those are the things that most of us would do. I know, and Bill Musk knows, that this is what we would do. Because money is a tool. And when you have enough money, your toolbox needs no more tools in it. Because all those things have been taken care of. So after those things are done, and you and your family and your friends are totally satisfied, then you go outside of your family and start to help your neighbor. But here's a benefit. Your neighbors, your friends who rejected your invitation into this company of Mr. Mufareh's, will see your life changed. They will see that the utility truck is no longer coming to your house to cut off your water and your electricity and your telephone service. They see now, instead of the old car that you have a brand new shiny car. There are going to be knocks on your doors, ringing of your bells, and these people are going to be asking, what happened? The answer that I'm going to give is, do you remember that company that you laughed about? Well, you're looking at the results right now. You see, founders and affiliates, don't let people get you down. Don't let people drag you to where they are. Then after all those things are done, start helping those who you don't know and experience the joy and happiness of giving as opposed to receiving. Mr. Mufareh's company will give us all we need financially to never have to worry about anything when it comes to income for our families. Boom, boom, boom. What will On ONEWS 12 have to say about what we are going to do next? This is based on the information that Mr. Mufareh gave on On ONEWS 11. Get ready for On ONEWS 12 and see what Mr. Ash Mufareh has to say to us.